Welcome to the ROS2 for beginners. I am Vijay and I have designed this course to give you hands-on real-world experience with robot operating system ROS2. And that is the one of the most widely used robotic middleware platform. And I believe in learning by doing. So throughout this course, you will understand the core concept of ROS2 through project-based learning approach. You will be working on exciting projects including hardware implementation. By the end of this course, you will be able to build some basic robotic application that can sense and act. In this course, I will walk you through the fundamentals of ROS2, starting with basics of ROS2 core concepts. So let us begin and understand what is ROS2 and why it is so important. In ROS2, we build a system by creating nodes that communicate through topics, make requests via services, and carry out long tasks using actions. So collectively, we call these communication methods, that is topics, services, and action, as interfaces. We can control these nodes, one or many, with parameters, and if needed, we can record everything using bags. All of this is organized within package to keep the work structured. To understand a little more how ROS2 works, we need to explore these terms in some more detail. So, coming to the package, a ROS2 package is like a toolbox that contains all resources we need to solve a specific problem that we are planning for the robot. Each package may include libraries, configuration files, and more. When working on robot, you will often create or use multiple packages that handle different tasks, like controlling motors or processing sensor data, LiDAR, camera, path planning, so on and so forth. While nodes are individual programs or components that perform a specific task. For example, in a package of motor control, you can create a node which is only calculating RPM. You can create a node which is only calculating PWM for controlling the speed of that motor. Or you can create a node just to start the motor, and you can create a node to stop the motor. Coming to the topic. So topic works on publisher-subscriber communication model, as we have in the case of radio stations publishing and the other devices are subscribing. We call it as broadcasting and subscription. For example, in mobile robot, one node may publish sensor data on a topic. The name of the topic is user-defined. We can create our own name for the topic, and then we can send that message on that topic. The other node will then subscribe to that topic and process the data accordingly. And this is the key concept for the ROS2. While topics are like broadcasting on a radio, services works on a client-server model, as in case of telephone call or web request from the browser. One node can ask another node to perform a specific task and get a response back. Services are used when you need a request and response type of communication, such as running a motor on or off or requesting robot's current position. And the actions are similar to the services, but more like an ongoing conversation. When a task takes a long time to complete, such as moving a robot to a distant point, action allows you to receive feedback and cancel the task if needed. But that is not possible in the service. And other than this, we have two more important things as core concept of the robotic system or ROS2, that is parameter and bags. The parameters are like settings and preferences for the node, and parameters allows you to adjust certain aspect of the node behavior without changing the node. We do not need to go into the software part, coding part, but from outside we can change some of the settings. And ROS2 bag is like a recording device or the logging device. It records the data that flows through our system, like sensor readings, topic messages, and we can save these data for the later analysis. This is especially useful for debugging and replaying data in simulation for real world tests. So that's all for the first session, and in the next session we will discuss what all we need to install to begin the ROS development. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more such tutorials. Until next time, happy learning. Thank you.